My name is Adelice Puentes Ardila. I am 52 years old. I am from Barrancabermeja, Santander. Live in the city of Yondó, Antioquia. I work as an administrative technical in the mayor office. My hobby is read. I live a wife and a husband and my son. I study sociology. My favorite is the pork chop and the fish. My favorite set is the Happy Saturday and the winning sport, the sport, the life and the cyclist. Ay, no, me tocó volver a empezar. My name is Adelice Puentes Ardila. I am 52 years old. I am from Barrancabermeja, Santander. Live in the city of Yondó, Antioquia. I work as an administrative technical in the mayor office. My hobby is read. I live with my husband and my son. I am studying sociology. My favorite is the pork chop. My favorite set in the Happy Saturday and the winning sport. The sport that I live is the cycling. I grew every and 5 and walk for an hour. Then I made breakfast and start with the lunch. I go to work from 7 a.m. to 12. Then I return to my house and finish the lunch, and again had to go to work and 1:30 p.m. until 5:50 p.m. I go to my house and start to cook dinner, organize and clean the house.